Hello, fourth graders. I'm excited this week. I have a new stylus, so hopefully my handwriting's a little better. Actually, who am I kidding? It's not going to improve my handwriting, but it is a nicer stylus than what I've been using in the past. Also hoping that this week 7 video has a little more energy. There's a young man who very politely in Mrs. Colton's class let me know that my videos could have a little more energy in them. So this one goes out to him, so I'm hoping to step it up a notch for him and the rest of the fourth graders so they can enjoy this. Our strategy this week is multiplication strategy, making landmark or friendly numbers. The beauty of it is the friendly number aspect is the piece that I want the kids focus on. My friendly numbers may not be your friendly numbers, so please remember, I'm going to give you a couple examples of how I look at it. You may look at it totally differently because it's really about you working with numbers that work for you. Some of you multiply well by 10, some of you multiply well by 20s. Remember that as you're working on these problems. So let's look at 7 groups of 38. For me, I know the first way that I look to do this mentally is I actually look at 38 as being 40, lose 2. Because I know 7 40s is 280. I know 7 2s is 14. 280 lose 14 gives me an answer of 266. That would be my first way to do it. My second way I would probably do it, let me just change colors here so we can show the difference. My second way I would most likely do it is I would actually say that I have still my 7, but I would actually break my 18 up into 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 3. Some of you may say, well, Mr. Harrison, I would keep that as 30 plus 5 plus 3. That's beautiful too. I mean, again, it's what's best for you. If I'm saying that 7 30s, I don't instinctively maybe know that, but if I know 7 10s is 70, 7 20s is 140, 7 5s is 35, and 7 3s are 21. So again, what's 70 plus 140 is 210. What's 35 plus 21 is 56. If I add these two together, I still get my answer of 266. I don't think it was quite as efficient as our first way, but it's another way for us to use friendly numbers to find our final solution. The next one is 12 groups of 29. For me with this one, I would actually, again, take my kind of first strategy. I would say 12 groups of 30 lose 1 is the same as I'm substituting 30 lose 1 in place of 29. So 12 30s is 360 lose 12. So 360 lose 12 gives me an answer of 348. Another way to look at this also is, I know for some people they may say, well, I'm going to, again, still work with the 12, but maybe I break that 29 into smaller chunks. So maybe I'm going to say, let me change colors as I separate this. So 12 20s plus 5 plus 4. So 12 20s is 240. 12 5s is 60. 12 4s is 48. So 240 plus 60 is 300. Sorry, I got carried away with my new stylus. 300 plus 48 gives me a total of 348. Okay? We come down to the last one. The last one's kind of neat. Again, everybody's different. These are my friendly numbers. I would look at it as 25 groups of 199. I again would say 25 groups of 200 lose 1. 200 lose 1 is 199. So 25 groups of 2 would give me 50. So I know that's a total of, right, 5,000. 5,000 lose 25 would give me 4,975. Or, I know some people like to look at it, they like to think about the fact that they know that 25 times 4 is 100. So they would actually take the 200 So the 25, they would actually multiply, and actually, I'm sorry, let me change colors with this guy for a second. So they most likely would say, well, I know that 25 times 4 is 100. And then if we went to our 200, again, we're going to do our 200 minus 1, but let's just do 200, and let's divide that by 4. So that would give us our 50. So again, 50 100s would be 5,000, and we still have to lose our 25. So again, we still end up with 4,975. My gut tells me you probably wouldn't have done that approach, and that's okay. Again, it's friendly numbers and what works for you. Hopefully that had a little more energy in it. I know my stylus works so much better, but my handwriting didn't improve. I apologize. Guys, thanks again for a great week, and I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am.